I got you over the next. But Druski just dropped another skit. I gotta react to it. I gotta react to this junk.
This.
Hold on. Let me get everything right. Can I make this full screen? I guess that's it.
This is Don Cornelius, and welcome to the Soul Train. Give it up for sweetness, y'all.
I'm your mama, I'm your daddy, I'm your sister, I'm your granny, I'm your granny, I'm your pappy, I'm your mama, I'm your baby, I'm your pusher man.
Oh, there go Booger Sugar Jones, y'all.
Booger Sugar Jones.
Booger Sugar, baby.
Soul Flow. Go ahead and get your flow on.
Well, we back now, y'all. This one's called Jump Beat.
You fucking lying.
I told you get your hands on me! I told you get your hands on me!
Showtime.
You ain't gonna fuck my shit up. I ain't got time for it.
Quiet on the set. Action.
And that is peace, love, and soul.
And cut.
Needs to fit.
This is Don Cornelius.
Them times had to been crazy for real. This nigga Druski, dog.